In this video, we will learn how to print in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my data. Just click on the file option. You get here the print option. And there is a second way you can use the shortcut key Control plus P. Okay. Then open the page print setting. First option is print the current sheet. Just if I selected the selected cell, you can see the other blank because I'm not selected the data. Just cancel it and select the data now and press the Control plus P. Now selected cells is, you can see here the selected cell show here. Next setting is paper size. You can use the paper size if you want a letter size. Click on that. Page orientation, change as per your requirement. Scale, fit to width, fit to page as per your requirement. Margins, normal, narrow. Formatting, show grid line. You can see the changes in page. Show notes. If you mention the notes in data, then you can click on this option. Page order, down then over and over then down. Then alignment, horizontal, center, left, right, just center. Vertical, top, bottom, center. Okay, I just then header and footer. You can select the header and footer. If I click the page number, click the page numbers. You can see here the page number is added. Then workbook title, sheet name, current date. You can see here current date also added, current time also added. That's it. And you want to change the edit in custom fields, you can change the name here. Sheet name are just student data. Okay, if you want to change here also you can click and edit it. Okay, I just confirm it and click on the next. Okay, and click on the custom if you want a one page, and if you want all pages to print, use the black and white. That's it, and click on the print option. The print is, if you select, I just select the PDF. If I click on the print option, and write data, student data. Now you can see in documents student data. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.